Did you find a friend?
Seems like it.
Oh, kissing the baby. Are you kissing that baby? Oh, Mia's kissing the baby. She's like, don't look at me.
And from here she goes, look at it.
Who is that? That's a pretty baby in there, isn't it? You can't have this. You're too little. I'm going back to your friend. She's like, at last. You're so funny. If you can't tell, Mia's seeing her reflection in a large silver trash can. Apparently, she likes what she sees. Who is that? Who is that pretty baby? You're so funny. Hey you. Who's got a tooth? Can I see your tooth? Can I? Oh, you can't eat the camera. Let Mama see your tooth. I can kind of see. Oh! Look what you did. Open your mouth. Let Mama see. Mia. Mama wants to see that tooth. Well, you might have saw it. Okay, bye.